Guelder roses are very good in under canopy of forests. They're good in hedgerows, and they will grow in kind of damp, even slightly boggy places. Here it's all like on a little headland bit of a future pond, and it's quite damp here, and they're doing really, really well here. They're like a kind of shrubby little tree. They're kind of suckering. We are shrub really, and they sort of throw up. They kind of the branches kind of go down and root in as well, so they kind of layer themselves in. And I've got quite a few of them here. They were planted about 4 years ago-ish. And here there's like an oak tree and a lime tree over there and an alder tree just there. And then these will grow under them, but like on the edge of the woods here. And when they're sort of growing out on a pond, they kind of like do hangover ponds and look really nice. They're kind of really adapted to growing in wet places. And they do look really stunning when they flower, but also in the autumn they have these really orange berries which are kind of edible if cooked and have a number of medicinal uses, but the bark is what's really used. It's like best for like cramps. They call it, another name for it is cramp bark, and the bark is kind of used to treat cramps and muscle pain and other things. They get, I don't know, about 15 feet tall. You get a garden variety, the snowball tree, which gets a bit bigger, which is just a mutant of it. And they have kind of interesting leaves like this. This big shoot here would have been last year's growth, these ones here, and then the year before's growth would have been this. So they get a bit bigger each year, but they throw up new ones from the base, and then the last year's ones all branch out and flower. So next year these will have more flowers on them, and there'll be newer, bigger ones that will be higher. And yeah, they just kind of spread into a nice big clump in the forest floor and look really nice. So yeah, they're kind of nice to have as under canopy. They're native to Europe, as far as Central Asia, and then bits of North Africa. So they're kind of like a nice native plant which has 2 seasons of interest. Really, really nice autumn leaves as well. So it's kind of a nice, if you're going to plant the woods and have some kind of under canopy in it, then Guelder Rose is a really, really nice choice and very, very interesting and really colourful.